You can make use of your phone or laptop to make $30 to $75 repeatedly every single day and from any part of the world. Keep in mind that in order to actually make money like this, you need to follow the steps correctly. So make sure that you watch the whole video because I am gonna teach you everything you need to know. The sign up process is 100% free. You won't have to shell up any amount of cash upfront, and also you won't need any writing skills. Even copy and pasting is also acceptable. I will show you another bonus website that will actually pay you twice much as the first one by doing exact same thing. It's insane because not a lot of people knows about this, and this might be your lucky day. Watch the whole video to get all of our effective and special tips as well as the bonus website that I mentioned few seconds ago. Before we get right in today's video, and this is your first time on this channel, welcome to our channel. On this channel I upload videos about how can we make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click subscribe button down below and hit that notification button also. Now let's get into the video. So like I said earlier, I am gonna show you step by step process to actually make this method work. First, you need to go to your mobile screen or laptop and open your default browser and type typingtest.com, and on this website you need to practice, and right here this is the 60-second test to test your typing ability. Keep in mind that it is really important that you follow everything that I tell you to follow so that you do it correctly. Choose 1 minute test duration in easy text. I am now showing it to you that how it's done. Time up, and it starts analyzing the results, and here is your test score, and it shows the typing speed, accuracy and the net speed, which is good. Now if you are done here, click on typing course. These lessons are free, so I highly encourage that you take these lessons before proceeding to the actual making money website, because on that website the faster you type, the more money you can make. I am now going to share that money making website. These websites are available worldwide, so you don't have to worry about not being able to join. The first website is rev.com, rev.com. Type it in Google and you will direct it over here. This is what you supposed to see. As you can see right here, transcription job, by which you can earn $1.25 per minute. You have to just convert audio or video to text form. Next one is caption, and it pays also $1.25 per minute, but here you have to caption videos that you will be assigned to. And the last one is foreign subtitles, which will pay you $3 to $7 per minute, and here you are gonna need to translate your videos with foreign subtitles. Obviously the last one pays more because it is much harder than the rest one. If you scroll down, you will see all of this information right here. That is very useful. Make sure to read all these stuff before visiting the actual site. Now go to the bottom and you will see become a freelancer. Go ahead and click on it. Rev.com says create a flexible work schedule. Choose from hundreds of jobs and you get paid weekly. You just need to fill up this become a freelancer with Rev form. Once you complete to fill up that form, click on next, and then you just need to work on this site to get paid weekly. Also right here, start making money in 3 easy steps. Take a quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. Submit a transcription or caption sample, which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality and expectations. If you are approved, you will be able to register and start earning right away. Try this website and let us know how it goes for you. Next website is transcribeme.com. This is the website, and right here you will see data annotation, transcription, translation and AI data sets. If you scroll down some more, you will see more information about the website and its services or offers. Now the sign up process is pretty simple. Again, no matter what part of the world you are from, you may be able to apply and earn money from this site, so don't worry about that. Anyway, click on jobs right here, and this is what you supposed to see next. Sign up process is simple. You just need to put in all of your information in this form accordingly. Here in this part you just need to select transcription language, which is useful for you to provide service of transcribing the specific language. And then once you are done filling up everything, just quick read your profile and that's it. That's all for today's video. Make sure to like this video and show support for this video. Also hit that subscribe and notification button if you are new here, and comment down below if you have any question. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. See you in the next one.